Brad Williams, Excel primed. We're going to use quotes around a specific set of data. Again, we're using text. There's no magic here. We're going to add quotes around Top Gun in this sentence. We're going to use two different formats. We're going to use quotes, and then we're going to use the character function. Brad Williams, Excel primed. Let's make this short and sweet. We're going to put quotes around concatenation. Why? Because we want to see the quotes around Top Gun. If we don't want to see Top Gun, you see here where we have three quotes. The first ending quote is for the movie. In order to put the quotes around the concatenate, the Top Gun, we need to start with a quote. We need to quote the information. We need to put an and sign, B5, end with a space, and the Top Gun with a quote, then end the concatenation. Then we have to add the rest of the sentence. We need to start with a quote and finish with a quote. That's the only way this works. So there's the example, the movie, and you can see we're quoting. I want you to practice this. I want you to think about this. Go in there, just enter a single quote after the movie. Then enter and B5. You're going to see an error. And work through why we're doing what we're doing. The other approach is to add the character function. You remember I said there were 32 to 255? Well, 34 is a quote. If you're more comfortable using the character tools, incorporate them. Otherwise, use the quotes. Notice how we ended this first part of the sentence with a quote. Well, that's right here. We use the and this is how we do it, and we use the character. That's going to put a quote around B5, and we're going to end it with a B5. You see all the ands? You're going to have to focus on all of the ands using character functions, as opposed to going up here, only using two ands. See how many ands we're using here. You're going to have to use an and a character, and whatever format works for you, then do it. The outcome will be the same. Here it's just a repeat. Practice, 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 practice. Over here on your right is pretty much what I just stated, but feel free to move around. This is strictly the character functions here I mentioned are for Windows. Mac has a different format. You're going to have to dig in and find that information on your own. I'm just focusing on Windows. Sorry, app owners. I will add, down the road, I'll add some Apple applications, one step at a time. Brad Williams, Excel time. Thank you.